Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and single socks lost in the dryer. This is a song. It is 2 minutes long. I am required to tell you that. A rock, a stick, a piece of lint, they met up on a hill. The rock said, I am rock. The stick said, I am stick. The lint said nothing, because lint can't talk. It was very awkward. Oh, lint can't talk. Rock can't walk. Stick is wait, what? That's not a rhyme, but I said it anyway. Now we do the second verse. It is the same as the first verse, but slower. A rock, a stick, a piece of lint, they met up on a hill. The lint said, I am rock. The stick said, I am still. The lint said nothing still, because lint can't talk. It is now time for the bridge. The bridge is not about a bridge. That would make too much sense. A jar of pickles watched the whole thing. It said nothing either, because pickles don't have mouths. This song has 3 characters who cannot speak. That is the joke. There is no other joke. We are now approaching the end. Please prepare yourselves. A rock rolled away. The stick floated away. The lint just sat there. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened at all. This song is over. This song is over now. Thank you. That was 47 seconds. I lied about the 2 minutes. Goodbye. Goodbye.